Capture vibrant, mouth-watering food photos with the best cameras for food photography. These models excel in sharpness, color accuracy, and low-light performance, making every dish look deliciously captivating. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for food photography you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Nikon Z6 is a high-performance mirrorless camera perfect for food photography, featuring a 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated sensor that captures vibrant colors and sharp details, essential for making food shots pop. With its large full-frame Z mount, the Z6 offers revolutionary optical performance, allowing maximum light intake, which translates to stunning low-light capabilities. This is particularly useful for indoor or evening food shots where natural lighting may be limited. Equipped with a 273-point on-sensor phase detection AF system, the Z6 ensures quick and precise focusing, vital for capturing intricate food textures and swift plating movements. The camera's burst mode, up to 12 frames per second, allows photographers to capture multiple shots in seconds, providing flexibility in post-production. Video enthusiasts benefit from its 4K Ultra HD video, 1080p at 120 FPS for smooth slow motion, and 6K time-lapse capabilities, making it a versatile tool for food video content. The Z6 is also compatible with Nikon's extensive range of Nikon Z lenses and over 360 f-mount Nikon lenses with an adapter, adding flexibility to your creative toolkit. The Sony α7 IV is a powerful, versatile camera that ranks as an ideal choice for food photography. Its 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor ensures impressive detail, making every texture and color in food images pop with vibrancy. Equipped with the advanced Bionz XR image processing engine, which is 8 times faster than previous versions, this camera delivers high-speed performance while maintaining accuracy and richness in every shot. With capabilities to record in up to 4K at 60 frames per second and 10-bit 4x2x2, the α7 IV offers detailed, lifelike video that captures every delicious moment. For even higher quality, it oversamples from 7K to deliver ultra-clear 4K at 30 FPS with no pixel binning, preserving detail for an uncompressed look. The S-Cinetone color profile enhances the natural richness and depth of colors, making food appear more appetizing, true to life, and vibrant without post-editing. Designed to handle a range of conditions, the α7 IV can operate in temperatures from 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, accommodating both studio and outdoor shoots. Its durability, combined with high-resolution image and video capabilities, makes it a top-tier choice for photographers who aim to capture every delicious detail. The Panasonic Lumix S5 is an exceptional choice for food photography, blending portability and power for rich stills and cinematic video. Its lightweight build and hybrid capabilities make it ideal for photographers and videographers aiming for professional-grade results in various settings. With 4K 60p 10-bit video, you can capture vivid colors and precise details that make each dish look as appetizing as it does in real life. The full HD 180 frames per second slow motion feature is perfect for creative food action shots, while 4x3 anamorphic support adds a cinematic flair. Equipped with a 96-megapixel high-resolution mode, the S5 ensures every image boasts remarkable detail, making textures and colors pop. Dual native ISO helps reduce noise in low-light settings, which is crucial for moody, dimly lit food photography. The 14+ stop dynamic range with V-Log V gamut ensures nuanced contrast and color gradation. The S5's high-precision autofocus locks onto faces, eyes, and bodies with ease, while the 5-axis dual eyes 2 stabilizes shots up to 6.5 stops. New creative tools like Live View Composite Mode allow you to combine multiple exposures, which is ideal for capturing dramatic lighting effects on food displays or atmospheric shots. The Canon EOS R50 is a powerhouse for food photography, delivering stunning image quality with its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor. This dynamic combination captures every detail and color nuance, making your food photos vibrant and enticing. High-speed continuous shooting offers up to 12 frames per second with the electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter, letting you capture perfect shots even when plating or garnishing in real time. Equipped with advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2, this camera covers up to 100% of the frame with 651 autofocus zones, ensuring precise subject tracking. Whether capturing a person, animal, or object, its deep learning technology keeps focus locked and sharp. In challenging lighting, the EOS R50 excels with its A+ assist, enabling beautiful shots even in low-light or backlit scenarios. For video enthusiasts, the camera delivers 6K oversampled, uncropped 4K movies at up to 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, perfect for high-quality video content. The 2.36 million dot EVF with a clear view LCD 2 vari-angle touchscreen makes framing easy from any angle. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi make file transfers seamless, allowing instant sharing and remote control through the Canon Camera Connect app. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is a powerhouse for food photography, delivering exquisite detail and vibrant imagery that make dishes look irresistibly appetizing. Its 26-megapixel APS-C Exmor RCMOS sensor captures rich, professional-quality photos with remarkable clarity. With a sensor that's 10 times larger than those found in most smartphones and 3 times the size of compact camera sensors, the ZV-E10 Mark II achieves remarkable depth, even in challenging lighting. The ZV-E10 Mark II also offers interchangeable lenses, giving you flexibility to capture your vision. With compatibility across Sony's E-mount lenses, including the top-tier G Master series, you can achieve anything from soft, dreamlike bokeh to razor-sharp detail. Paired with the EPZ 16 to 50mm f3.5 to 5.6 OSS2 zoom lens, this camera ensures versatility for food photography and beyond. Sony's Creative Look feature allows you to set custom moods in-camera, with 10 presets that can be adjusted to taste. Precise subject tracking with real-time IAF ensures every shot stays sharp, while S&Q modes offer cinematic slow motion at 5 times for perfect pours and bites. For reliable, striking food photography, the ZV-E10 Mark II brings professional quality to your fingertips. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.